Call recording won't work anymore as Google aims it to kill by May 11. Shocking, right? Well, watch this video till the end to know more. This is your boy Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena. Let's go. Call recording is a feature which is restricted in many countries, and even in my smartphone call recording is not there, and even in iPhones call recording is not there inbuilt. But in these situations we end up using third-party applications like ACR phone, Truecaller, which can record calls immediately using the accessibility API feature. So that's why these call recording applications have been so popular. And not only that, call recording is actually a privacy breach in my opinion, and that's why these countries actually restrict call recording feature inbuilt in many smartphones. And even you can't record calls using other applications in countries which restrict it also. And Google has updated its Play Store policy in order to restrict third-party application using the accessibility API from May 11th, which means that these third-party applications won't be able to record calls anymore using the accessibility API. What does it mean? Won't you be able to record calls anymore? Well, let's get into it. If your smartphone has inbuilt call recording, like OnePlus smartphones and Xiaomi smartphones have inbuilt call recording feature, then you will be able to record calls even after May 11th. But if you're trying to install any application like Truecaller or ACR phone, you won't be able to record calls anymore after May 11th. Now, what does it mean? Like those smartphones which doesn't have call recording, like mine example, can't use third-party applications to record calls anymore? Well, let's get into the reality. Now, the truth is, remember I said Google is updating its Play Store policy. Now, what it means that these applications like Truecaller and ACR phone won't be available on Play Store to download officially. That is what this means. Now, Google is updating its Play Store policy in order to restrict applications which use the accessibility API. Now, accessibility API can be used by applications that's not on the Play Store. So what is going to happen is applications like Truecaller and ACR phone will redirect their users to download their application from any other external source. It is only that Google's Play Store policy has been updated, and through Google Play Store you can't download applications which have call recording feature. So it means that you can still record calls after May 11, but you can't download those call recording applications through Play Store after May 11th. So you have to download it from third-party websites. Yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see what's going to happen. What do you guys think about this move by Google by updating its Play Store policy? Comment your opinion down in the comment section below. And as always, if you end up watching my content, a like to this video would be appreciated because it helps me a lot. And also press the red color subscribe button. Come on, man. Like most of the people who watch my videos doesn't subscribe. Please help me by subscribing. Just click the red color subscribe button and there you go. And also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. For now, this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.